morning. I think this is the first time I've woken up with the sun shining in the car. It's lovely. The car's warming up quickly. Still, it was kind of cold last night. Which is weird because it was only like one degree, 2 degrees last night. The sleeping bag's supposed to be good down to -40. I would never ever test that. There's no way. I should not even be feeling slightly cold in the sleeping bag. I should be boiling hot if anything, but I do always feel like I'm never like freezing, but I do feel like slightly cold. But I love waking up when it's sunny and it's warm enough just to go straight outside, and I don't want to just sit in my sleeping bag for ages. I can just get up and today I will go to Lake Tahoe. I don't actually really know what's there. I should have done some research when I had the internet on like what sites there are to see around here, because who knows, like all the good stuff that I've like driven past. Time to go on to the next spot. It's so nice today, so hopefully I can do some hiking or something. Okay, right, come on, we've got to get in the van. So I like playing this game that I have enough fuel to get to my destination. My fuel lights just came on and I have about 50 kilometers until I get to Reno. I prefer to hold out because petrol's going to be cheaper there, I hope, I think. But well, I don't know. I'd like to think there's more than 50 kilometers worth of fuel in the reserve for when the petrol light comes on, but I gave in. And now I'm getting screwed for it. $3.09 a gallon. That's almost $1 more than anywhere else I've been. Crazy. Right, we're gonna have to be very, very frugal. I bet it's hot outside. Like, it feels hot in the car, so it must be hot outside. There's still like snow on the mountains and stuff, but I'm not sure where I am. I mean, I'm at McDonald's, but I don't know what state I'm in. It feels hot. Okay, it's not hot. I mean, it's not cold, but it feels really hot in the car. Wow. This is so beautiful. So still. So beautiful. This is where I wish I had my kayak. Then I'd have to bring a soaking wet kayak back into my car, and it's okay. I'm sure I'll do a lot of kayaking over the summer. beautiful. I just met some really cool girls. They gave me lots of advice on where to go, and I got to play with their dogs. What the hell is that? So that was really cool. I've met a lot of cool people on this trip actually. I wish I could introduce you, but I think it's weird. Let's cruise on. Oh, I love it here so much. I'm on the border of California and Nevada still, in the Lake Tahoe area. I'm heading to Yosemite. I'm really excited about Yosemite. That's somewhere I've always wanted to go. And let's see if I can get up here. The snow. Wow. Okay. Let's get in the car, kids. Look how deep that snow is. It's higher than my car. Holy crap, it's hard to imagine that they got so much snow here when it's so hot today. Wow. I already had to take a huge detour today because of a road closure, and this one's closed too. Yosemite is literally 60 miles along this road. I just can't get anywhere. I hate driving at night, and it's even more annoying when everywhere I go is road closed. I should have done some research, I guess. I don't know. But whatever, we'll get there eventually. So I have to take the long way round to Yosemite. I'm about an hour and a half away from Yosemite Valley now, so I thought I'd stop now because where the area that I'm driving through at the moment, it looks like it's probably really nice, but I can't see because it's dark, so I feel like I'm wasting it, you know? So I'll have a nice hour and a half drive tomorrow to the valley. There's lots of stuff to do. I hope it's not too busy, but I think it will be, judging just by how busy this road has been. But whatever, I can't be mad. I'm one of the people that are making it busy. But I've just found like a little lay-by on the side of the road. No toilet or nothing. Speaking of toilets, I've been told 2 times now that my first video had too many toilets in it, so I hear ya. I won't take you into the toilet ever again. How do you like that? Yeah, I don't want you to think that my road trip is just like me driving and just finding toilets, because that probably is what it looks like. But anyway, I'm curious to see what this area looks like in the morning, because the girls that I met today, they offered me a beer. They were letting their dogs swim. It's like my dream. Lakes, beers and dogs. But I didn't want to drive in the dark because my plan was to go around the back way to Yosemite and then drive through on the way to San Francisco, but I went round that way, that road's closed. I had to come back round, the front way's closed, so I have to go down south so I can go from the south, the north entrance. So I've drove a lot longer today than I thought I would have to, but anyway, this is the floating head signing out. Bye.